Guys, welcome to Selvin and Family Kitchen today, and today we're going to do plantain fritters. So today we're using no flour, just going to use a little touch of cornmeal. There's some red onion, green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper, some garlic, and I just cut off the spring onion, the bottom of the spring onion. I'm going to use that one. And this is our plantain. So if you have a plantain like this and it's ripe, don't throw it away because you can find many use for it. So we have a spring onion right over here, a little bit of baking powder, vanilla, salt, and we're gonna use just a little touch of olive oil. So I have a plantain over here already where I chopped up. So I'm gonna just chop that in the blender. So guys, I just put in the plantain in the blender. So now we're just gonna put in the red onion and the garlic and the spring onion. Just gonna chop them in. So basically that's what we do, guys. Put it on chop. So that looks like that finished now. Let's look at it. So that is the plantain I put in the blender to blend up with the spring onion, red onion, green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper. Basically, guys, we're just chopping the plantain to scrape it out in a bowl. And get everything out of it. Just gonna put in a teaspoon of brown sugar. Let's put in 2. A bit of cornmeal. Run a tablespoon of cornmeal. Chuck in some spring onion. Just gonna chop up some red onion as well. You don't want to cut them too big, just slice them up a bit. Get that out of the way, get the stove. Touch of baking powder. Only the touch of it. Half a teaspoon of vanilla. A little bit of salt, less than half a teaspoon of salt. Basically, guys, the plantain did look a bit too ripe, so I have to put 2 tablespoons of white wheat flour in it. So I put 2 tablespoons of flour in it. I didn't want to put no flour in it, but I have to put 2 tablespoons of white flour in it. So I have to jump to plan B. So this is what we look like now. Plantain fritters. Let's give it a mix. Look at that, guys. The red onion, the garlic, the spring onion, the red pepper, the green pepper, the yellow pepper. That's what it looks like now. Plantain fritters. So just gonna put them in the pot to fry up some while they're getting hot. Guys, look at that one, guys. That's the plantain fritters is coming up nicely. Nice brown, crispy color we're looking for. Look at that, guys. So remember, you don't want to turn up the fire too high underneath when you're doing plantain fritters or banana fritters, because it's easy to burn. Very quick to burn. Guys, this is the finishing product. This is the plantain fritters, and so this is a plant what we use, a ripe plantain, and this is what it look like now when it come out. So this is the finished product, plantain fritters. So guys, you can try it. If you want to see me do another video like this, subscribe to the channel and make a comment and share the video around. So guys, all of you guys that subscribe to the channel, I have a lot more recipe coming up, different way to cook. And today we have Marissa. Marissa is in the kitchen today, looking ready to eat the plantain fritters.
I never have a video like this before.
You never have a video like this before, Marissa?
Yeah.
Okay.
Awesome.
So Marissa cannot wait to get done in these plantain fritters. So subscribe to the channel